Hi, today I would like to share with you what I learned about the rule of 78. Right, I do not own this knowledge, right? It is taken from DBCF, this website. It explained here very clearly, right? So I'm just doing attempt that if I do it in Excel, would it be easier for me to understand? So here it says the rules of 78 is also known as the sum of digit, and you can go through this PDF file and read, right? So here's the number of months, and if you add this up, right, it will be 78. So this is what it means, the sum of the digits. So suppose a person prepaid for 2 months, right? It pays 2 months of the installment. Then he say, well, I have enough money, right? Suddenly he win the lottery, and then he want to pay up. So you would think that the bank will just say, okay, well, if that's the case, you just pay up pay up the principal, and that's it, right? And you thought that oh you just need to pay about 16% of the total finance charge, right? We're supposed to be hundreds. If you take a loan of 1,000 for a month, for 12 months, for a year, right, it will comes to like hundreds. So every month is about 8.3 ringgit. But you think that is the case. But then as you tell the bank say, well, your actual interest is 29 29 ringgit and 49, right? You can see the cell E36, right? Is this amount. So rather than uh sorry rather than yeah rather than 16, you are actually charged 29.49. So there's a balance that you need to pay, which is 29.49 minus this 16.6, right? So how much is that, right? So I'm going to use this amount minus the sum of sorry will be this amount minus the sum of these two. So you need to come up another interest of 12.82. But wait a minute, you're supposed to say 16.6. Now this is the unfair advantage when you get a personal loan in Malaysia or another country that applies rules of 78. You need to pay up another 12.82. So what if this is times 100? So that would be 1,200. Say you loan 100,000. Now this rules of 78 is truly unfair to the customer, and they do not explain it clearly, right? I can show you that, right? You just go to sorry, I guess you need to look for this for other personal loan, right? You look for the terms, right? They will say rules of 78. But what does that mean? Nobody explained to you, right? Now I'm glad that this website from US DBCF explained this clearly, right? So what does it mean? For example, prepare after 2 months of 12 months, right? It's 29.49. So how do we get this? Well, basically, you taking 23 divided by 78. 78 is the sum of digits, right? And then that will be 29.49%, right? So if you loan 100 ringgit, then you get the lender will ask for 29.49 instead of the 16,000 or the 16.6%, which is if it's 100 ringgit, that will be 60 ringgit point 16.6 ringgit. So you need to follow another 12 ringgit. Okay, here's another example, right? Also given from this DBCF. Now, suppose you have a 12 months you pay in full in the third month, so it's somewhere here 33/78, right? Then the total unearned is 45, and this is the unearned. And then if you check on the 33/78, right, that would be different. So there's a formula here, right? It is following this. You can look for this example here as well. So let's say it's you say you pay 3 months, so 12 minus 3 become 9. So that becomes 57 point. This is what the bank won't charge, right? But the bank will charge 42.31 ringgit out of 100 of finance charge. So if you use the normal way, right, it would be 25. But now you actually need to pay more than that. So you are basically paying this, and you pay another 17 ringgit and 31 on top of what you already paid. Then only you can cancel this loan agreement. That is for a year. So I'll try my best to share with you what if you want to share for 5 years, 5 years personal loan, right? How likely you will be charged? How will you penalize? Thank you for watching, right? I hope you understand this rules of 78, right? You can always go to this website to download the PDF and read thoroughly, and coupled with these tools, right, you can understand easier. Thank you for watching.